What's your advice for today?
I have an advice. The common issue here is sometimes when you're driving your car, when you press the brake, it's shaky. The always common problem that we always encounter is after a long drive, we bring the car for a car wash. And then those people in the car wash, they're gonna put water, spray all those parts over there, which is the braking system of the car. And unfortunately, this is a metal.
Yeah.
All the metal, you put water, within matter of seconds, it's gonna get like bent.
Okay.
So I recommend if you're gonna
Wash the
wash
car.
the car, at least make sure that you park it for 15-20 minutes, let it cool down, then you bring it to car wash. Thank you for coming. Thank you. It's a pleasure for us to have you here.
Thank you, sir. Can you kindly tell me more about your shop?
Actually, this garage is established for 9 years ago.
Wow.
And this garage has been working in German American cars, and most of them are like major jobs and minor jobs. We do also PMS service and stuff like that. I started my career in America. That was like I was 16 years old, and I started as a mechanic and electrician. Then I decided to shift to Middle East. Let's say for another break. And then, I started working here 15 years ago as a mechanic and electrician also. Then I started to think of opening my own shop. Then me and my wife decided to like open a garage here in Alcus, and then in God's grace, we have the second branch already in Rashid.
You told me a little bit about GT movie. What is it?
Ah, yeah. If you're familiar with the GT movie, the one last January in theater, we are the one who made the Dubai version here in UAE. We're the one who made that in Autodrome. We execute all of those sports car. We foil it, we fix it, we wrap it, and then all those effects. We're the one who did of that GT movie. It's a great experience. Actually, all of our staff. This is like a dream come true for them, having a chance of a lifetime to be part of a Hollywood movie.
Tell me about the services that you have in here.
We do minor and major service, PMS, periodic maintenance. We even do this preventive maintenance for you not to break down on the road. We anticipate already what's going to be the problem of the car before it happens. They call it preventive maintenance, which only the companies are doing. Because for our experience, we know already what to do in the car. By just looking at your kilometers, we can already predict what will happen and which parts is always going to be an issue some other time. So we do the preventive maintenance, we do the periodic maintenance, we do the PMS, plus we do the major service. We do engine overhauling, gearbox overhauling, we do the programming, resetting, even the initialization of all those control units. We can do each and everything. We have original X entry for Mercedes. We have this Autologic for BMW and Range Rover. We have this original Peewees for Porsche. So yeah, we're invested in all those original computers. Here in our garage, we have 21 mechanics. Let's say I don't have the best garage in the world, but we're having a 21 experienced mechanic inside because I want the efficiency. I want to make sure that you will get your car within a matter of 30 minutes for a minor service. I don't want you to wait, and I don't want the car to be parked outside. I want to be delivered on time, sometimes before the due time. So this is my priority. That's the reason why I hire all of those experienced mechanics.
Your location, please.
We are located in Alcus 4, Alcus Industrial 4. You can search us in Google. We're also in the Google Map. We also have this Fashidia in Umarmul, behind RTA.
Fantastic. Okay.
If it is all coming from you guys, I'm gonna give you a special rate. Here in Grand Automaster, we just don't do it. We do it right.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. God bless.
Yeah, thank you and God bless. Nice to meet you and nice to be with you this time.
Dr. Car Channel and mobile application are the best.